is Shirley. I'm from Santa Cruz and I like fishing. I have participated in this competition
This is the first time or
No,
before?
last year also.
last year also.
She got the first fish last year. And
Last year I had got
What the catch today? How much?
number today,
number today is 18.
18K.
Yeah.
How come the fishes are coming to you? How we get to your catch?
It's a luck.
Fishing is a lot.
You have to have patience also. To get something, you should have patience. Fishing is patience, nothing else. You don't have patience, you will not get.
You are enjoying fishing.
Yeah, yeah. Nancy.
केन्ना सा fishing करतो तू?
चारां गेलेली.
तुका like fishing?
होय.
How many fish you got? Two? Five fishes. Oh, what's your name?
Benino.
From?
Me? From Pancham.
So how you feel participating in this fishing?
This is the first time I'm participating in this. In fact, I'm come from Mumbai, so I just got an opportunity for this fishing. And I'm having a great time over here fishing.
Who told you the fishing competition is there? How you came to that?
No, I come for the Naveen also.
Okay.
So I've been here for the flag hoisting. So that yesterday I came to know there was a fishing competition over here.
So you brought the rod on it.
Yeah. I'm come all the way from Kuwait.
So enjoy.
Yeah, I'm having a good time.
Radal, Kukusal, very much into the fishing competition organized today. Koreanis Kumka, Balur. Chris Basil, त्याकडे भाग घेतला कंकाई देवबरे करूनका तुम्ही भाग घेऊन विविध उदीत वाढवली सो सगळ्यांचे पण भाग घेतला तोच तरी आमच्या युथाचेर आम्ही भरपूर आशीर्वाद मागता गॉड ब्लेस यू थँक यू व्हेरी मच
We Santa Cruz Parish Youth Group ऑर्गनायज केलेलो फिशिंग कॉम्पिटिशन आणि आमचे 37 पार्टिसिपंट्स आलेले सगळ्यांनी आमचे उमेदीन वांटो घेतलो आणि खूप जाणांनी प्रायसीस आमचे सगळे मेळून 12 प्रायसीस आसलेले आणि आमकां प्रायसीस स्पॉन्सर केलेले वेलंकनी चॅपलान. थँक्यू.
माझें नाव शर्ली आणि ह्या कॉम्पिटिशनान हांवें भाग घेतलो आनी म्हाका ही फर्स्ट प्लेस मेवल्या. हांवें चिंतूंक नासलें म्हाका मेवतलो म्हणून. सगळी आफ्टर ऑल ही सगळी लाक कितले तुका लागता पळय तेजेर आसा ते. आय हॅव ट्रायड माय लेवल बेस्ट एंड आय गॉट.
तुमचं कितें दिसता ते पॅरीस कॉम्पिटिशन केलें तुमकां आनी तो हे करपाक जाय एक्टिविटी.
आनी एक्टिविटीज करूंक जाय तेणी आनी भुरग्यांनी पार्ट घेवपाक जाय